Hello, sir. Good afternoon.
Namaste.
So, how's your experience so far been at Mimamsa?
This is really a great opportunity for me to meet all the educators here, because see, we have been facing and we keep on facing a lot of issues and problems in the world of education. And when all these people come together and they speak something about their experiences, we keep on learning from each other's experience. And Mimamsa has created such a platform where we all can share our experiences with each other. That's what I said in my speech. बाधाएं आती है आए, घिरे प्रलय की घोर घटाएं, पांव के नीचे अंगारे, सर पर बरसे यदि ज्वालाएं, निज हाथों से हंसते हंसते आग लगाकर जलना होगा, कदम मिलाकर चलना होगा. सो दिस कदम ताल जो मीमांसा ने यहाँ पर आरंभ किया है, मुझे लगता है कि उसके कारण सारे देश की बढ़िया से बढ़िया प्रिंसिपल्स यहाँ पहुंची है, और उनसे सुनना, उनसे सीखना, ये अपने आप में एक बहुत बड़ा अनुभव है. इस प्रकार का स्टेज, इस प्रकार का प्लेटफॉर्म मीमांसा ने जो दिया है, उसके लिए बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद है. और जो काम हम लोग कर रहे हैं, उसके लिए एक लाइफ टाइम अचीवमेंट अवार्ड दिया है, उसके लिए भी बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद.
Thank you, sir. How do you think platforms like Mimamsa are helping schools across India?
See, I never consider that Dhruv Global School is my school. Dhruv Global School is a country school, and all other schools, they also belong to the country, because the trusts are running these schools, and we all are working for the betterment of our country. So when all these people come together and they share their experiences with each other, that makes the whole difference. हम सबका उद्देश्य एक है, परम वैभव स्वप्न सुंदर क्षितिज साहे दूर दुर्लभ, किंतु सनंदन सुमन की पांचुके माधुर्य सौरभ. राह कांटों से भरी है, कुशलता से लांघना है, लोकमन संस्कार करना यह परम गति साधना है. So education is a sadhana. It's a paramagati sadhana. There is nothing better than this particular sadhana. So when all these principles, they are coming together and they're sharing their experiences together, that makes the whole difference.
Sir, you also spoke about your initiative which is related to yoga. So, how do you think one should inculcate yoga in their lives, and how does it help it throughout, everything?
See, in last few years, we see that, and especially after COVID years, we see that a lot of depression, a lot of anxiety, even in the children nowadays. Previously, it was not like this. Previously, children used to play in their societies, in the gullies and roads where they stay, and there used to be a brotherhood amongst each other. But after COVID, what we see is the distance has increased, the face-to-face interaction has decreased, and there this anxiety and depression kind of things are coming up. We have seen children dying on the passages of the school. We have seen children doing suicide because of some games in the mobile. We have seen because of depression and getting less marks, they are ending up with their lives. So life is not so sasta. It's not so easy. We have to take it in such a way that even if some defeat comes, we have to face that defeat gracefully. So yash and apayash, har and jeet, sukha dukhe same krutva labha labho jaya jayo, jay parajay, labh hani. We have to balance it, and yoga is all about balancing. Samatvam yoga uchyate. Samatva means balance. You have to keep on balancing, and it starts with yama, niyama, asana, pranayam, pratyahar, dharana, dhyana, and samadhi. So when we start with asanas, when we start with pranayam, so automatically this balancing process starts. And that is the reason why we at Dhruv Global School give maximum emphasis on yogic values, teaching them yogasanas and pranayam, and the way of life which should be a balanced way. That is creating the difference in our students.
Thank you so much, sir. This is really inspiring, and we hope you have a good time here.
Thank you, Mimamsa. Thank you very much.